Thank you to both of you for joining today. We got to know about Mitron app a week or two back, and for all the right reasons, look at these apps from two young boys who are getting such good numbers. And then, of course, suddenly the good news led to a lot of negative news, which is doing the round about some of the questions being raised. Tell us about some of the news that has come up recently, some connection to Pakistan and security concerns. Tell us what is happening at Mitronap and why are we hearing about all this?
Sure, Shraddha. So, Shraddha, thing is, we brought a template from an Australian marketplace called Evento.
Huh.
Since then, we have made a lot of modifications to the code to meet our scalability and security needs. Again, frankly speaking, Shraddha, buying out templates is not new to the software industry. Major e-commerce platform or unicorns are actually doing this from a long time. So
Huh.
I think this is more a hyperbole than actually, based on facts.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and also to add to it, like we can assure you that all the data which we have are in Indian servers, and we have also been consulting with the top security experts in the industry to make sure that all our user-facing APIs are secure.
Hmm. No, but I'm just want to ask both of you then how come this became the news? Because you saw, right? Like we looked at so many publications and everyone has written about it. How come it just became suddenly such a talking point?
I understand, Shraddha. I mean, this is a surprise for us as well because they should not have been on news after all. I want to, ensure our users in India that what we have written is, I mean, based on Indian needs, and the security of nobody will be compromised, and there's no connection with any country.
There's so many apps in this space, and then there is TikTok, and you guys are being compared to TikTok. uh, and monetization also in this space has been very difficult. So what got you to start now, Metron app?
Okay, sure. So, Shraddha, one thing is definitely we don't want to compete with TikTok, or we don't want to compete with anybody. We just want to have something for the Indian consumers, and we want to establish our own space. So our thought process has always been that Indian consumers should be served by Indian platform, and Indian data should always be secured on Indian servers. Always personally had a desire that Indian social media platform which understands and abide by Indian social guidelines.
Hmm.
Shraddha, it pains everybody to see so many videos of hate and violence going on different platforms, which actually cease to abide by our own guidelines, our own law of the land. So definitely, these are some of the aspects that actually enforced us or forced us or motivated us to have Indian own platform. I mean, this is the dream of anybody, not only us.
No, I mean, this is what has been the driving factor for us, and also the response which we get from our users. So that just, that acts as the fuel for our thought process that, we are in the right direction, and this is the demand. And like Sivang said, not just a dream of two of us, but somehow, somewhere for the whole nation, we have been seeing that.
So, Shraddha, I want to add on this. It's not just about the numbers. I mean, the love of the people is far beyond the number game. What we are seeing a lot of constructive feedback. If you see, we have already 3 lakhs reviews on Play Store. We are definitely getting a lot of emails from the users. Somebody, I mean, many of them had actually given us the logos. You put these logos. Your logo is not that attractive. These are the recommendation of the people. So what we feel is people are actually able to relate to this product. They are thinking this is Indian's own product, and this is definitely what we like, and definitely want to be India first product.
Yeah. So as you are building an India first product out of India, tell me what have been your initial learnings about the market, about the users, about the whole.
Yeah, yeah. So I mean, the good thing that we have kept from the very beginning is we kept ourselves very lean and just kept on interacting with our users for any feedback or any thought process around our product. So for example, the first version of our product didn't have this, had only the video content viewing option, not uploading option or creating option. So what we thought of that, we may have to do a lot of activity in that direction. We may have to bring in a lot of influencers to create the videos on our platform. But what we thought, what we have seen is within the 7 days of our launch, people have actually started asking for this upload, upload functionality on the platform. Within 4 to 5 days of getting this upload feature launched on our, that was a silent launch on a platform. We saw 800 900 videos uploaded on a platform a single day. That was even without any marketing. That was a silent launch. So in that sense, what we feel is people are way ahead. From us, and definitely they have a lot of expectations from us, and we are working day and night to fulfill the gap between what is the expectation, what we are able to deliver.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So to add on to it, Shraddha, on what Shivank has been saying, right? So what we are seeing is that we see a very, very dynamic reaction from users. So any bug which we see, it gets captured very soon. People give us, all the missing features and the bugs which are there on the platform. And as soon as we solve it, we see that the usage of the app also increases in that direction, right? So this has been the sole source as of now. What we are trying to do is from the users. So the feedback which we are continuously getting from the users, and when we solve it, then how they are reacting to those changes.
A question I want to ask both of you, that TikTok is so big, right? Like in India, across the world, and they are using AI to every possible tech. They have the resources. What makes you different? One, and what is your differentiation, and how do you see yourself building a very large India first product here in the Indian market?
Anish, you want to answer that?
Yeah. So yes, obviously. So like we said, right? So there are things which we are focusing on, right? So when you talk about India, right? So it's a world in itself, right? हम अपने में एक पूरी दुनिया है. यहाँ पे हर एक थोड़े से 100 किलोमीटर में सिर्फ टेरेन और वेदर नहीं चेंज होता. The way we dress up, the way we speak, हमारे त्योहार, म्यूजिक, हर चीज बदल जाता है. हमारा खाना, हर चीज बदलता है, और हमारे हर एक हाउस होल्ड में हमारे पास एक एक्सपर्ट है इसके लिए. पर अभी ऐसा कोई प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं है जो इनको सरफेस करा सकता है. सो आवर फोकस इज टू बिल्ड दैट प्लेटफॉर्म which can where you can see the true India, right, from their true people and that true India, and then we will be able to say ki now dekho apna desh from anywhere anytime on Mitro. And another thing which we want to add is it is not just going to be entertainment, right? So it is not just for entertainment, but we'll also serve the educational quotient onto our app. So if that gives you the roadmap, so that is the roadmap which we have. So and yeah, so that is going to be the first thing which we are trying to solve.
I don't know how you're dealing with it, but there is this whole negative thing that there is Pakistani source code in your app. What does that mean, and why is it being raised?
Yeah, Shraddha, as I told you before, we purchased the source code from Evento. So Evento is now very big.
Event.
Evento marketplace, ऑस्ट्रेलियन कंपनी है. तो उनके पास मिलियंस ऑफ ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं, और बड़ी बड़ी कंपनियां उनके प्रोजेक्ट्स को यूज कर रही हैं. ठीक है. तो सिक्योरिटी और ये सारी जो बेसिक चीजें होती हैं, जो अपना चेक्स होते हैं, वो इवेंटो खुद प्लेस करता है. ठीक है. तो हमें नहीं मालूम कि ये सारी बातें क्यों आ रही हैं, बट डेफिनेटली वी हैव अ ट्रस्ट ऑन इवेंटो. एंड द सेकंड थिंग इज, even after that trust, we have made a hell lot of changes so as to ensure that the security and scalability of our needs get addressed. So we are not relying on those source code at all now.
So just to add on to it and to give idea to the experts who are out there, that a script cannot serve 2 million daily active users, cannot serve 2.5 lakh of video uploads. So obviously if that was possible, then anybody would have created Mitro, but we don't see another Mitro which is there as of now, right? So we have done a lot of things. It's just that it was a template which we had used, and like Shivank said, we bought it from an Australian marketplace, and it is a general behavior to buy templates because that scripts are for sale and they are licensed.
Yeah.
So we have purchased it in a licensed way to use that template, and that gave us a initial building block. And after that, we have built on the entire framework which now supports Mitro, and we are continuously improving onto it.
Of course, with the numbers would come attention, but the other question on security. So you were removed out of Google Play Store, no? And why did that happen?
Yeah, so it was not because of security. That was the first thing. So there are certain guidelines on privacy in terms of use. Since we are a UGC platform, so those are some of the things which are more to do with technical documentation than the technical aspect of it as such. Because, and also Google has said we are, by the way, back on the Play Store. And that's because we have fixed onto those documentation pieces which needs to be abided by Google. So that we have done. And also there are certain things which are needed for a UGC platform, and what Google has told us that obviously those are features which needs to be developed, so we understand that you need time to develop them. And we would not have been removed from Play Store had we been part of a, they have a group wherein they first, if we are part of that, then we would have gotten a warning and then we would have been removed. Unfortunately, we were not part of it, and we'll make sure that we are part of it so that this would not have even happened. We would have been warned and we could have handled it before even getting removed.
What are some of the drivers? What are some of the motivations? Because both of you have been in good jobs and you've left that to do this. And what actually is the big driver? And the second thing is, how did you, and I want to, this is the trick question, how did you manage to get such quick number of users? Because I don't know, अभी तुम्हारे पास investor ये सब तो है नहीं, और मैं सोचती हूँ उतने पैसे भी नहीं होंगे, तो इतने ज़्यादा users इतने जल्दी आए कहाँ से?
So Shraddha, regarding the motivation thing, तो startup कीड़ा तो हमेशा रहा है. तो start right from the college. I mean, I did a lot of projects in and outside of the college as well. The good thing, I mean, I met Anish during my stint with Make My Trip in 2016. So what I found is, Anish is aligned to that startup thing. So we discussed a lot of ideas. We did a lot of coding together. I mean, the projects which of Make My Trip or outside of Make My Trip. So what we feel is we have the same thought process, and the thing is we keep on continuously discussing different problems that we are facing and how can we solve it. If not even we solve it, but at least that thought process should be there. How can we solve it? Again, what is the second question about it?
How did you get the users so fast?
Okay, sure. So thing is, Shraddha, frankly speaking, the second part, हमारी बिल्कुल ही मेहनत नहीं लगी है, तो हमें बस लॉन्च करना पड़ा है, और बाकी I think people of India taken कि उन्होंने खुद ही marketing करी है हमारी.
So I'll just fill in on what he was trying to say. So जो शिवांग बता रहे थे कि we have not done any marketing. जैसा आपने बोला, we don't have funding. अभी तक जो हमारा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर और जो भी रनिंग कॉस्ट है वो हम खुद ही बेयर करते हैं. We have not done any marketing campaign of sorts. So, but this is from the users. They have done all those things. They have brought it. What we have seen is that, so even the videos which which we have not even yet approved as such, right? Which are private videos as of now in the video for users, which we are not even advertising. Even they get views. So people are creating videos. They are trying to get in more people whom they know, and then they are that is how it has been built. That is the user base which we have as of now. Right. So yes, and like we said, the continuous feedback which we get from users when they use the app, they are proud that there is something like this, and they want that this features should be there. These are things needs to be improved. So that is how we have been creating our roadmap to make sure that whatever is the voice of the users, that also gets addressed. Because, like I said, this is the only fuel which we have as of now, which is keeping us running.
आज के डेट में तुम compete करोगे, like you will be competing with the, if I may say so, the TikToks of the world. And so what is the game plan? How do you plan to differentiate? How do you plan to win in the market? Now I'm asking a VC question, but
yeah, no, first of all, obviously the platform has to be solid. So that is the main focus which we have as of now, right? So, and like I said, we need to understand from where the user are coming, and so we are also focusing on the demographic users of our app, from which cities. So what we have seen is that tier 2, tier 3 cities, we get maximum users from there. So we are trying to understand those from where our users are using, what is the trend, what kind of things they like, and so that is how we are trying to build it up. Does that answer it? So the platform which understands, I mean, obviously we are first building up the platform which understands the demographic layout of our users, and on top of that we are building our platform.
So the broader point is definitely TikTok or the likes of TikTok has focused on one segment of the users. What we want to have is a deeper penetration into India, just not get limited to tier 1 or metro cities. So that's the game plan. I mean, we work vernacular and go into every small regions of the country.
The people are asking this question, that are you only right now, are you both the only team, or do you have a team, and how do you manage your data warehouse? How do you do your testing, security? How do you do all these things?
Currently, we are only two, but the thing is, the good thing is that definitely, as I said, the whole focus for us is the product and technology. We have been fortunate enough कि हमें marketing and these operations has never been, on our mind. So that gave us the ample time to focus on technology and help. I mean, focus on security or scalability.
Yeah, and
Okay.
also we are continuously consulting with the experts in the industry, so that because what we think may not be always the right thing to build. So that is something which we are continuously doing. So users feedback is also one source, and then all the industry experts, we are continuously trying to build our network, better our network, and whatever whomever we know, we are just trying to reach out to them, understand how this should be done or this should not be done, and that is how we are doing.
How much time did it take for you to build this app? And जब तुम लोग बनाना शुरू किए उससे लॉन्च करने में कितना दिन लगा? बिकॉज तुम्हारे 5 million प्लस डाउनलोड्स थे और उसके लिए कितना टाइम लगा?
Sure, Shraddha. So we started, I mean, 3 or 4 months back when, around Feb when lockdown was actually, just started in companies, though not officially announced by the government of India. So that was a time when we actually started. I mean, definitely our very first version, as I said, was a very simple one, didn't have much functionality. But real, the hectic situation arise when we published our app. Then really the expectations of the people becomes very high, and you don't have that bandwidth. So you have to solve each and every problem on a single day. So what we can see is last 45 days has been very, very, hectic for us. I mean, we have been working day and night on the product. So yeah,
Where are you both based out of?
I'm based out of Jhansi.
Jhansi.
I mean, but we are both as of now staying in Bangalore and working out of
I stay in
Bangalore.
Bangalore, but yeah, I mean, I'm from Jhansi, and
I'm
yeah,
from Chakulia, which is in Jharkhand, but yeah, we are now in Bangalore.
Yeah.
Chakulia, yeah.
Yeah, very good. I'm also from Ranchi.
All right.
Amazing. It's amazing to see both of you build something out of India, and the dream and the boldness of the dream and the vision that you have. क्या प्लान है अभी? इमीडिएट क्या प्लान है? फंड रेज करोगे? क्या करोगे? What are some of your plans, immediate plans in the next few months?
sure, Shraddha, definitely. प्लान तो यही है कि अब टीम एक्सपेंड करना होगा क्योंकि तो कब तक मतलब 2 लोग की टीम रहेगी. So in that sense, yeah, we have a lot of thought process कि क्या क्या चीज करनी है. We have a roadmap for next 3 months. So definitely we are building team to execute it.
Yeah. Okay. And why the name? Last question. Why the name Mitro? Mitron. What is it? Mitron? Na?
Yes.
And
So
it's
Mitro has a dot also, no?
Yeah, but this is app for friends. It's like a
Yes.
yeah, Mitro.
Yes.
And you call it Mitro TV.
Metro TV. Yeah.
ओके मेट्रो टीवी. एक और बात बताओ कि ये इसका मोनेटाइजेशन सोचा है क्या अभी, और इट्स टू अर्ली?
It is too early. As of now, like I saw the question, AdMob or something like that. No. So no AdMob, nothing like that. So it is not like we don't want to make it as a spam app which people download and we get from the ad revenue. No, that is not the goal of this. So we want to first create the platform, serve the use cases which we highlighted. We mean that it is not just to just say. So we will not have, we have not added any AdMob or any ad source of revenue.
Anish or Shivang, they say that when two people come together and they become co-founders, then they bring complementary skills. But both of you are engineers. Both of you look similar. Not look similar. Background wise similar. Friends ho, एक साथ बना रहे हो. What do you both bring to the table together?
So I will like
Sure.
to answer this. So हम background और ये सब चीजें जो आपने similar बोला ना, पर हमारे thought process बिल्कुल नहीं मिलते. So good thing is for every kind of thing we actually argue, and the good thing about this is that we are able to argue and then come to a conclusion. So that is what makes us a good team. So that is what has been that is how we reach, because we have fought about everything. So when we have fought about everything, then there is nothing more to blame onto anyone. It is a mutual decision which we end up doing every time. And yes, Shivank has जैसे उन्होंने बोला था उनको startup की starting से रहा है. So that is also one aspect which he brings onto the table. So that is also something which I lack, and then Shivank is very good at.
खैर ये हम अब एक दूसरे की तारीफ नहीं करेंगे ज्यादा, बट हाँ, लास्ट लाइन अबाउट अनीश इज दैट कि वो टेक्नोलॉजी इज वेरी यू नो वेरी फार इन टेक्नोलॉजी. सो मेक माई ट्रिप में उसको खुद एक दो बार शायद बेस्ट एम्प्लॉय या बेस्ट इंजीनियर अवार्ड मिला है. तो डेफिनेटली technically he's very sound. He understands nitty gritty of everything. So definitely what I consider ourselves is more a product company, a technology based company rather than an operational company. So what I feel is Anish brings a lot in that on our table in terms of technology and thought process around it.
Did the name help?
I don't want to speculate on that, but I mean, what I feel is people thought that this product is definitely more Indian than any other counterparts. Again, I mean, a lot of things definitely due to COVID. I mean, people have been interacting a lot with each other over, video platforms like us. So definitely that gave us the initial mileage. But I think the usage, the number of install or usage has something more to do with, people liking it and believing that this is the product to go and belongs to them actually.
I think people are able to relate to it, and if they are able to relate to it, then that is the best thing which can happen. So they should be able to relate to the app because it is for them and it is for us Indians. So if they are able to relate to it, then I think that is to our advantage and that is good for us.
Everyone is asking, so I'll have to ask you this question. Are you guys talking to investors to raise money?
I mean, definitely. I mean, any entrepreneur would do that at this time. But
yeah, I mean, anybody who understands what we are dealing with as of now will understand that this is not a cheap thing to do. So many users watching the streams and all of those things. So it is not a cheap thing to do. The monthly running cost itself is very high. So obviously we don't have so much of savings that we can run it from our pockets. So we are looking for the right set of investors. It is not just about money. So we are looking for the investors who actually help us build the product in the way which we want.